Level 3, Module 6, Creating a Happy Anchor. Our emotional responses are not fixed. They are shaped and refined through consistent practice. By intentionally engaging with certain techniques, we can influence how we feel in various situations. In this video, we will explore the anchoring technique, a practical method designed to help coaches access and maintain positive emotional states. The goal is to provide you with a reliable tool that can enhance both your own performance and the experiences of those you coach. Understanding and applying this approach can make a meaningful difference in how you navigate challenges and support others. Anchoring is a technique that involves associating a particular cue, such as a touch, word, or gesture, with a specific resource state or emotion. By creating this link, coaches and clients can reliably trigger the desired feeling whenever the cue is used. This process helps individuals access positive emotions or states of mind on demand, making it easier to overcome challenges or enhance performance. Anchoring is especially useful in coaching, as it provides a practical method for clients to maintain motivation, confidence, or calmness in various situations. Begin by selecting a positive memory that evokes strong, uplifting emotions. Focus on intensifying the sensory details of this experience. Notice what you saw, heard, and felt in that moment. Next, choose a unique physical cue, such as squeezing your thumb and forefinger together. Apply this cue at the peak of your emotional experience, anchoring the feeling to the gesture. Repeat this process several times to strengthen the association, and then test the anchor by using your cue to see if the positive emotion returns. Reinforcement is key to ensuring the anchor remains effective over time. Imagine a coach sitting comfortably with their client, inviting them to recall a moment of genuine happiness. With a gentle smile, the coach encourages the client to close their eyes and relive that joyful memory, savoring every detail. Calmly and confidently, the coach guides the client to associate this feeling with a simple gesture, like pressing their thumb and forefinger together. With a touch of light-hearted wit, the coach reassures the client that, unlike magic spells, this technique only requires practice and presence. Soon, the client discovers they can summon a sense of happiness anytime, simply by using their new anchor. Now is a great opportunity to pause and try a 2-minute anchor for yourself. Set a countdown timer for 2 minutes and find a comfortable position. As the timer begins, focus on your breath and notice any sensations in your body, such as the feeling of your feet on the floor or the air moving in and out. Allow yourself to simply observe these sensory cues, letting thoughts pass by without judgment. When the timer ends, notice how you feel and gently return your attention to your surroundings. In summary, the anchoring technique offers a powerful way to access feelings of confidence, calm, and focus whenever you need them. By associating a physical gesture or cue with a positive resource state, you can quickly shift your mindset in challenging situations. This method is useful in everyday life, from public speaking to managing stress and improving concentration. Remember, the effectiveness of anchoring grows with consistent practice and mindful repetition. As you continue to use this tool, you'll find yourself more grounded and resilient, able to draw on your inner strengths whenever you choose.